Studying at the School of Diplomacy in Seton Hall is absolutely one of the best choices that I've made. The world-class faculty, the opportunities such as the National Security Fellowship, connections to places like the United Nations in New York, as well as having those connections to the city and Washington, D.C., really just culminates in an incredibly unique, valuable, and truly rewarding experience that you really just can't get anywhere else.
I've been pretty involved in an undergraduate diplomacy research hub for students to work with faculty members on their research projects or develop their own, known as DiploLab.
I had the opportunity to pursue a research topic that I was personally invested in and something that I find really interesting and something that goes along with my interest in rapidly changing fields.
I love attending the World Leader Forum. You get to meet with amazing people. There's great internships that they have here and great opportunities to work on your resume and to work on interview skills.
I had the chance to intern at the UNCPGA, which is the Council of Presidents of General Assembly. That was a great hands-on experience that I received from the council with the support of the internship development programs at the Seton Hall. I had the chance to know more about the UN itself and also the UNCPGA itself.
We have alumni connections with the UN, ambassadors, different state government, and also private sector. And I've talked to multiple people that have given me a lot of advice and career opportunities that graduated from Seton Hall.
There's so many great backgrounds here, and it's just amazing to hear the stories that everyone has to tell.